Definitely, I think the star is born because the way he played yesterday, it's amazing. 14-year-old batting like this and hitting all over the park, amazing. I've never seen a kid like this. When I was the captain for Delhi team and Sachin played against us, he was at the same age. He done wonder at that time, and he also scored runs. 80 odd runs against us. And that was in the semi-final in Ranji Trophy. Then the next decade, the Virat Kohli came. Then once Virat Kohli is still playing, and now the next generation is people talk about Vaibhav Suryavanshi. And good luck to him. It's very difficult to predict the future, but he has all the ingredient to become a superstar, and he's very, very talented. But there were so many talented cricketers, those who cannot make it. But he has to be very, very focused on the game. And if the process is right, he's working hard, he's a discipline, I think he's going to achieve amazing heights.
सर क्या लगता है कि क्या चीज़ है जो उनको और टैलेंट से अलग करती है इतनी छोटी सी उम्र में? What sets him apart? क्या अलग चीज़ देखने को मिली है?
See, this is God-given talent. Like God gives you a talent, then you work on it, and how you work on it, that depends. Your sincerity, discipline, your upbringing, all these things. Make you the better player. And your family, your father and mother, if you see them and they are disciplined and they are doing everything for you, that gives you a lot of motivation.
सर लास्ट टाइम हमने कोई ऐसा लेफ्ट हैंडेड बैट्समैन देखा था जिसने शायद सबके खेलने के तरीके को आने वाले कई सालों तक डिफाइन कर दिया, वो थे सौरव गांगुली. उसके बाद सूर्यवंशी, बहुत ही सिमिलर एग्रेसिव बैटिंग अप्रोच है.
No, I won't compare, please don't compare, Saurav Ganguly was different. He has achieved a lot of things, in a one-day international, 50 over, test matches. He achieved a lot of things. But this young kid has all the potential to achieve all these things. But let's wait for it, that's the name of the game. See, IPL is a very good platform to show your class, to show your talent. But that talent has to make it in a test cricket and a 50 over game. Because your rating comes from there. If you are a good test player and people rates you very high. If you 50 over, if you win a couple of World Cups, then they also rate you very, very high. So, if you look at in the world, most of the great players, they have the name in the test matches. Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar, Kapil Dev, Sunil Gavaskar, or even a lot of foreigner players also. But once he do that, achieve in a same sort of height, in a test matches and 50 over, I think he's going to be one of the greatest player in this decade. But it all depends, what the future hold for him. My advice is to him is, play all the matches. Ranji Trophy matches, Duleep Trophy matches, and rest of India matches, 2 to England or 2 to India A team, go with them. That will make you very strong. That will make your character. That will mature your battings, because you've been going all over the world and playing in a different condition, playing against all the other opposition. So you become a better player. That's very, very important. That's the only advice. Then the other advice is a discipline. You have to be focused, and you have to keep on working on your game day in, day out. No one is, perfect. You have to keep on making yourself a perfect player. No, I don't think so. I won't say that, जो सचिन ने अचीव किया और या विराट कर रहे हैं, it's very difficult to follow their footstep. But still, I don't compare anybody, If I compare Sachin, उसका मैं जो कद छोटा कर रहा हूँ, मैं उसको वहाँ ही रखना चाहता हूँ जैसे मैंने उसको देखा है. मैं वहाँ ही टॉप पे रखना चाहता हूँ. विराट भी जैसे है, विराट को भी मैं कंपेयर नहीं कभी करूँगा, क्योंकि वो ऐसे खिलाड़ी हैं जो ऊपर है. जब हम कंपेयर करने चलते हैं, अगर मैंने एक को कंपेयर किया दूसरे को दूसरे पर रखा, वो नीचे आ गए, ये गलत बात है. आई डोंट डू दैट एंड आई ऑलवेज बिलीव इन माई लाइफ. He's a born star, it looks like. God has given him a lot of talent. I think God gives you talent, but end of the day you have to work for it.
Yes, that's a shot.
क्रिकेट की हर बड़ी खबर,
Lovely shot.
हर बड़े अपडेट और लाइव डिस्कशन के लिए जुड़िए मेरे साथ सिर्फ इंडिया टीवी क्रिकेट यूट्यूब चैनल पर.